Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you in the latest update of Angel Broking app how we can place an order. First, this is my watch list. I am going to search company IOC. I already searched, so it is there. IOC we can search. We'll select it. Now you can see cash option is there. I am just clicking on it. Now it's opened. Now here you can see two options. One is buy and sell. One second, I just here the option is buy. You can see, you can click it, you can see this window open like this. Here you can see all this thing, what is the current bid price, last ask price, all this thing. If you want to open the chart, you can go here. If you want to buy directly, you can directly click on the buy. I am clicking on it. Sorry. Okay, now buy page is opened. If you want to buy from NSE, you can buy from NSE. If you want to buy from BSE, we can switch it here. So here what all option is, here we have to enter the quantity. If you want to make a stop loss order, we can use this option. And if you want to switch from market to limit order means we can enter the price here. If it market order means current market price, it will execute. Then here you can switch between delivery, margin, intraday. I'll show things clearly. If you see here, if you want to buy directly from delivery order, you can use this option. If you want to use margin, means as a loan broker will give, if you want to use that option, you can select this one. I'll select and show you. 1 second. If I click on margin, you can see here, buy up to 4 times quantity with just 0.049% per day. So that means if you are buying a share with 1000 rupees of margin, per day we have to provide 0.049% as an interest to the broker. Or we can go over delivery order. If it is intraday, just like a normal intraday order, morning it is buying, before the market end hour we have to sell it. So I am going to show you delivery order. I am putting the quantity here as 2. I am going with the market price. If you want to buy in a limit price, you can put it here. Okay, otherwise I'll show you as a limit price. Just see its order will execute or not. Day I am approximate required margin means 1 unit price 88. So you can see here 176.77 is the amount needed. And or one more things I can show you. Here you can see an option available charges. If you want to see what will be the charges will come, like brokerage, what all things will come, we can click it and see here. I am just clicking on it. Here you can see all type of charges like transaction how much will come, secure transaction how much will come, total how much extra charges will come. So I am closing that one. Oh sorry, it's gone back. Here I am going delivery. I am going keep in buy. I am pressing confirm. I am doing. Now order is placed. Now you can see in our order book. This is order book position. You can see currently its order is executed. You can see here what is on what price it is executed, 88.40. Here you can see order executed on 88.50, that is average price. So if you want to after the market hour completed, this quantity will deliver to our demat account. Means it will like basically T plus 2 days. Now you can see in our portfolio. Okay friends, thanks for watching video. If you have any question, please comment on the comment line.